The Lord be with you. Have a blessed Good Friday. Today we commemorate the greatest act of God's love for all of us. Jesus willingly offered himself to die on the cross so that we, his beloved, will be saved. Some would always ask, how come Jesus Christ was able to save us for his dying on the cross? He was the one who died. He was the one who was crucified. How come that the fruit of his death will be applied on us? Remember this. Jesus Christ was true God and true man. He was true God 100% because he is the beloved Son of the Father. And he was also a true man because the Word became flesh, thanks to Blessed Virgin Mary. And Jesus, being a true God, he can save us. And Jesus, being a true man, he represented the humanity. He embraced our whole being. That is why when Jesus Christ was crucified on the cross, the body that was crucified was also our body. And so when he died on the cross, the body died and we died with him. And when that same body resurrected, that gave us the opportunity for us to resurrect also when our time comes. This is the greatest act of God's love. When man first committed sin against God, remember how God said in the book of Genesis, man and woman were cast out from paradise. But it was Jesus who put the gap between God and man closer once more. The once paradise that was closed has been opened thanks to Jesus Christ, true God and true man. He was able to make the paradise be made available once more for all of us. Remember when Jesus Christ died on the cross, the veil that was covering the Holy of Holies at the temple was torn into two. That was a symbolism of the fullness of God's revelation. That was a symbolism that tells us there is no more gap between God and man because Jesus was able to connect us to our God. Truly, Jesus Christ is our perfect representative. Jesus Christ really is the image of all of us. And so today, my dear sisters and brothers, remember that greatest act of love. For after all, the shape of the heart is now the cross of Jesus that tells us how much he loved us. No matter how sinful we are, God loves us just as we are. And so in return, let us do our best to be worthy of the cross, of the blood that was poured by Jesus for all of us. Let us be the instrument of God's love so that Jesus Christ's death will truly mean life for all of us. God bless you.